Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can switch off auto rotation on this device. Start by opening tab menu, then look for auto rotate icon and simply click on it. As you can see, now it's black. That means that auto rotation is definitely off. But you can also go into settings, choose display, display. Tap on Advanced, scroll down and click on the switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. If the switcher is grey, that means that auto rotation is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!